Among kids 1 to 3, a complete school project. Our focus on learning basic English alphabets. A for ant, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for geography, H for hat, I for Iceland, J for jump, K for kid, L for lollipop, M for moon, N for notebook, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for star, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for York, Z for zoo,